So y'all see the 2020 big old pound bag. Ooh wee, look at this. Give me a little 2020, a little backpack. Pretty fly right there. Open that up. Y'all check. Ooh, mystery bags. We got mystery bags for y'all. Mystery bags. Got the 2020 cap. That's official. Black and white cap. It's a 2020 extra large. We're gonna pop this open. Oh damn! I got some Fatum gloves right here, baby. Look, ooh wee! Y'all gotta check those out. Hold on, you got some other ones, and you got the orange ones. My people at 2020 hooked me up. Hold on, we gonna see what color are these. Man, hopefully we got some red ones in here, man. I need some red ones. Let's see. Oh, this one's sealed. I don't know what this is. We gotta rip that open. Okay, this is like a little grab bag. Some okay, it's one of them ski masks right there, man. The 2020 ski mask. We're gonna see what color is this one. Oh, with the green ski mask. Okay, 2020, y'all doing this with your merch, man. We got the green t-shirt, got the purple t-shirt. Man, 2020, purple, green. I'm gonna pass some of this out when I see some of y'all in the streets. And this bag right here is a lot of smoking stuff I can't really show because they might flag my account. But y'all check them out, man. I guess I can show the tray though. Hold on, I can show the little smoker tray. And they got the official seal on it. Got the 2020 tray right here. You know, so we're gonna put that back in the smoking bag though. Like I said, go tap in with 2020, man. I appreciate the love y'all showed me, man. GrindFace.